Hi everyone, buckle up because we are diving headfirst into exciting world of mobile app development. In this video, will be your guide as we answer two burning questions: native versus hybrid versus web app. Friend or foe, we will explore the pros and cons for each approach, helping you choose the best fit for your mobile masterpiece. From second is from start to launch, unveiling the mobile app development life cycle. We will demystify the journey from brilliant idea to dazzling app into your using hands. Whether you are seasoned developer or curious newbie, this video is packed with insight and helpful tips. So grab a favorite cafe, beverage, and get ready to unlock the secret of mobile app development. Are you ready? I'm Nabahan. Let's begin. Now, for the when building a mobile app, you have three main choices. First is native app. These are the app of typically download from the App Store. They are built specifically for a certain platform like iOS and Android, using its native language and tools. Instagram, Spotify, and Pokemon are examples of native apps known for their smooth performance and device integration. For the hybrid app, this app combines elements of native and web technologies. They are written in web language like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but they are wrapped in a native container to access device feature. Twitter Lite, Bolingo, and Evernote are hybrid apps that offer cross-platform compatibility and faster development times. This this app runs for the web app. These apps run directly within a web browser, eliminating the needs for downloads. However, they are often have limited access to device feature and might rely on internet connectivity. Facebook, Gmail, and Google Maps are popular webs that offer accessibility across device. Now, let's we go for the pros and cons. For the native app, hybrid app, and web app. For the cost for a native app, it has the highest more than hybrid app and web app. For development time, native app has a longer because it has a separate code base, while hybrid app is a moderate because it has a single code base, while the web app has shortest because it have leverage and web technologies. For a performance, native app is very smooth other than hybrid app and web app. For offline functionality, native app can works without internet, but hybrid may require internet for some feature and web app limited or not function without internet. For user experience, native app is best for the UI and UX. It feels integrated with device. For the hybrid, it has a good but not feel as a native. For the web app, they feel less immersive and more engaging actually. For native app, security is more secure and sandbox environment and native APIs, while hybrid less secure because it have more vulnerabilities and web component. While the web app it has the least secure and exposed to the browser security risks. Native app have a target audience specific platform actually, such as Android, iOS. Okay. Then hybrid app has wider audience across the platform while the web app have um, it has any device with a web browser can use the web app. For the distribution, there's three version App Store approval process for a native app, while the hybrid app have a single app built for both platform. Then have a web app deployed on web server, no apps needed, and also didn't need a storage also. For the maintenance, native app have separate update and testing for each platform. Each mean highest cost, something like that. So for a hybrid app has a single update for both platform, and for the web app have update deployed on server, no app store submission. Okay, for the now let's outline the common stage involved in developing a mobile app. We go to mobile application development life cycle. First, planning and analysis. Define the app purpose, target audience, feature, and budget. Second, design and prototyping. We need to create wireframe, mockups, and prototype to visualize the app interface and user flow. For the third is a development, write the code using the chosen platform and framework. If you choose a Android, eh, uh, if you choose an Android, you must use the framework of Android. If you choose a iOS, you must use the iOS framework. Then we go to the testing and debugging. Truly the test app to ensure it functions and intend and fix any bug. And five, fifth is a deployment and launch. This this step is need submit the app to App Store or deploy it on server. If you use iOS, is App Store. If you use the Android, you go to Play Store. So, and the last part is maintenance and update. We will go to the adjust tab, add new feature, and improve the app based on user feedbacks. Alright, folks, we have reached the end of our mobile development adventure, but this is just the beginning of your journey. By now, you have a roadmap for navigating the world native hybrid and web apps, and you understand the critical stage of bringing your app to life. Remember, the biggest hurdle is often the first step, so don't be afraid to get coding, prototyping, and testing. Let's go. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.